Poem 3, Keeping Quiet, Book Flamingo. The poem Keeping Quiet is written by Pablo Neruda, who writes with his pen name of Neftali Ricardo Reyes Basolto, who was born in the town of Peral in Chile. Neruda's poems are full of easily understood images which make them no less beautiful. He won the Nobel Prize for Literature in 1971, and in this poem, Neruda talks about necessity of quiet introspection. Introspection is when we examine our own conscious thoughts and feelings. जब हम अपना आत्म निरीक्षण करते हैं, जब हम अपने आप को देखते हैं कि हमारे थॉट्स क्या हैं, हमारी फीलिंग्स क्या हैं, and creating a feeling of mutual understanding among human beings. So this poem is very beautiful poem, and I think this poem is very best example of what is happening today. The whole world is under lockdown. You can see there is a corona crisis over the human beings, and I think this poem stands very beautiful on today's situation. Today also what we need is introspection, and we need to create a feeling of mutual understanding among ourselves. Now in this poem, the poet, he longs for a calm, he longs for a quiet, peaceful world which has no violence, and where the people are living together in a moment of silence and peace. According to the poet Pablo Neruda, this moment when we will be all quiet, when we will be all still, this time will give us time. I told you this time will give us time for self introspection, when we can attain moral self. जब हमें अपना moral मिलेगा self का कि हम हैं क्या, हमें spiritual हमारी growth होगी, development होगा, and this moment will bring an end to all the destructive activities in the world. Poet जो है poem में बताता है कि कैसे fishermen will not catch fishes, और जो salt बनाते हैं आदमी वो भी अपना salt नहीं बनाएंगे. Means every type of activity will stop. Not only about the human beings, destruction of this kind, but destruction against environment will also stop. Environment will totally heal itself. धीरे धीरे environment जिसका जो destroy हुआ है, जिसको हमने नुकसान पहुंचाया, वो धीरे धीरे heal up होगा, and the world will again be beautiful and green once again. And then very beautiful lines he says, जो war करते हैं, the nations or the people, those who start the wars, वो उनको भी कहता है कि war को भी बंद कीजिए, and let everybody live in brotherhood. And poet बाद में कहता है कि it will be an ideal world. बड़ा ये एक ideal होगा, बड़ा ये एक चमत्कारी वर्ल्ड होगा, where all the people will come out from their self-centered feelings. सबसे बड़ी बात है, पोएट कहता है कि हमें self-centeredness छोड़नी पड़ेगी, हमें selfishness से बाहर आना होगा, then only we can attain moral peace. So here I start with the poem. Now we will count to 12 and we all keep still. For once on the face of earth, let's not speak in any language. Let's stop for 1 second and not move our arms so much. Now the poet urges us, poet requests us. Urge means request, poet हमें करता है कि let us each one of us count to 12. Okay, and then be quiet. And we will all keep still. हम 12 तक गिनते हैं और फिर हम एकदम सब शांत हो जाएंगे. We will all be quiet. We will all be still. There will no motion. For once on the face of the earth, let's not speak in any language. Poet कहता है that let us have a silence on this earth where no language will be speaking. दुनिया के सारे लोग, let us stop for some seconds. Let us stop at least till we count 12 and should not speak any language. In this way, there will not be any barrier of the language. There will not be any superiority or inferiority. Everybody will be equal. There will be no barrier of language among the people. Let's stop for 1 second. The poet कहता है, let us stop for some time and not move our arms. Not move our arms means let us be motionless. He requests us कि जब तक घड़ी में 12 बजते हैं, at least जब तक हम सब लोग still रहें. Let us not move. For once on the face of the earth, और पूरी दुनिया में, let us not speak any language and stop the barrier of the language among the people. And let us be, and let not move our arms so much. और हम एकदम peaceful हो जाएं, एकदम quiet हो जाएं, एकदम motionless हो जाएं. It would be an exotic moment, without rush, without engines. We would all be together in a sudden strangeness. Beautiful lines written by Pablo. The poet says that such a moment of silence would be very exciting, very unusual moment. वो कह रहा है ये moment बड़ा unusual होगा, बड़ा exciting होगा, क्योंकि पूरी दुनिया चुप होगी, पूरी दुनिया जो है वो बिल्कुल शांत होगी, peaceful होगी, without rush. There will not be any hurry. There will not be any engines. There will not be any noise or movement of the engines, of the machines. पूरा पीसफुलनेस, पूरी दुनिया जो है वो शांत होगी. कितना एक्साइटिंग मोमेंट होगा. वी वुड ऑल बी टुगेदर इन अ सडन स्ट्रेंजनेस. और it will be a strange, it will be very unfamiliar moment when all the stillness will be there all around. And in this unusual period, bonds of humanity, we will all be together. Bonds of humanity will get stronger. Our brotherhood will become stronger. हम पूरी दुनिया के लोग एक साथ भाईचारे के साथ रह सकते हैं. तब हमें लगेगा everybody is quiet, everybody is doing self introspection कि कहाँ हम गलत हैं. We will see what is wrong within us, why we have become so self-centered, why we have become so selfish. We will come out of it and we will be all quiet. Now in this stanza, the poet talks about that how much destruction we have done to this mother earth. और वो कहता है कैसे हम इस डिस्ट्रक्शन को बंद करें. Fishermen in the cold sea would not harm whales, and the man gathering salt would look at his hurt hands. The poet says that in this moment of inactivity, in this moment of silence, the fishermen will not catch the fish. Hence the whales, the fishes, the environment will be safe. कोई फ़िश नहीं मारी जाएगी, किसी तरह का कोई डिस्ट्रक्शन नहीं होगा, एनवायरनमेंट को कोई नुकसान नहीं होगा. एंड द मैन गैदरिंग सॉल्ट वुड लुक एट हिज हर्ट हैंड्स, एंड द मैन हु गैदर्स सॉल्ट विल बी एबल टू सी टू हिज वुंडेड हैंड्स. जो आदमी अपने हाथों से नमक बनाता है उसे भी टाइम मिलेगा कि उसने अपने हाथों को कितना नुकसान दे दिया है. फॉर विच ही हैड नो टाइम अर्लियर. Thus here he says that both nature as well as humans will have time to see to themselves, to recover their wounds, to recover from their destruction. Next in my next video.